How to change email address in Phemex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you've switched to a new email address or simply want to update the one linked to your Phemex account, you can easily do it. First of all, launch open the Phemex app on your device and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the human icon. This will take you to this next page where you need to click on Security. Inside Security, tap on Email. On the next page, click on Change Email Address at the bottom. Now, you'll need to first verify this current email, so go ahead and check your email inbox and you'll receive a 6-digit verification code. Simply type in the code exactly as it appears and click Confirm. On the next page, enter an email address you want to change to and click on Send Code. You'll then receive a verification code on your new email address. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox and you'll receive a code from Phemex. Simply type it down in the next field. Now click Confirm and you have successfully changed your email. Next time while logging in, make sure to enter the newly updated email address and then your password and log in. So there you have it. That is how you can easily change your email address in Phemex. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.